Hello guys and welcome to today's another trade recap video. And as you guys can fucking see, we did another win, and actually I took this trade while am I in a class, and also I did it with my phone. I didn't have a PC, of course. We don't study with PCs and laptops at school. So I entered with my phone. I set up my TradingView alarm, and once I saw my alarm got hit, I just entered to the chart, and I saw the trade. I saw the potential of the trade. I waited for my confirmation entries, and yeah, I just waited, put another alarm at the confirmation zone, and then I just waited for an entry, and I just entered the trade. And I'm actually going to show you now the screenshots. Wait, so this is the first one. Oh my god, gonna be so fucking. So this is the first screenshot while I was looking to take the trade. Okay, as you guys can see, after I saw the inversion of the 15-minute fair value gap, I was waiting. Then I was waiting for retracement back into my continuation confluences zone, and then GP got hit, and I'm going to show you that I did enter to this trade rate. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, I don't know what to say, bro. This phone, I don't know why, but it disconnected me from MetaTrader. I don't know why, but I did enter on my other phone. So whatever the thing is, if you wanna believe me, fucking do. If you don't wanna believe me, fuck you. That's it. So let me go on and explain why I did enter this trade. So wait. Okay, all right. So first of all, I had a clear bearish bias due to the trend being bearish on the higher time frame. So I went to the higher time frame. I set up my my higher time frame liquidity. The fuck I'm saying, bro? My higher time frame, bro. I feel like I don't know how to speak, bro. My higher time frame key levels. Okay, my higher time frame key levels at those highs and at those lows. Those are the 4-hour lows. Those are the 4-hour highs. And if we scale into the time frame, you can see that those are the Asian session highs that got taken out at London session. Those are the London session highs, and those are the London session lows. And that was my point of interest in the first place. Okay, so at the 1 hour is, oh no, this is the 15 minutes. Sorry guys, I just got back home. I got back home 6:25, and now it's 6:33. So as you guys can see, we have with a 1 hour order block right here. We have a 1 hour fair value gap right here, and if we go into the 15-minute time frame, you guys can see that we didn't took out the London session highs. Okay, that's true, but at the start of New York session, those are the buy side liquidity that was the nearest buy side liquidity to the price action right there, and this is the 15-minute fair value gap, and this is the 15-minute fair value gap as well. So I set in my alarm, once price get hit, I'm gonna start looking at the chart. So I think at 2 p.m. which I was at school, we went up, we took out those buy side liquidity, we filled up this fair value gap and this fair value gap as well, and with that I waited for a 15-minute break of structure, so I can confirm my bias to the continuation to the downside. Okay, so my first point of interest to target was these London session lows and these lows, because we still have more generated downside liquidity to the downside. Okay, so with that, on the 15-minute, we did broke the structure to the downside right here. So what I can do after that, I just scale down to the 5-minute time frame. Wait, let me. Okay, on the 5-minute time frame, we did broke the structure right here, and we did a market structure shift right here. So what I can do now, enter? No, I just waited for which is the retracement that I drew in the picture. I was waiting for. I was waiting I was waiting for this retracement, okay, this retracement back, and the retracement was, bro, I fucked it up, every single thing. Okay, I was waiting for the retracement back, which it did right here. We traced back into the breaker block and into the 5-minute bearish fair value gap. And if we go into the 1-minute time frame, literally after the retracement back right here, I saw the retracement, and then I saw the potential of a down move to the downside, which invalidating this 5-minute, this 1-minute fair value gap, and closing below the 5-minute retracement, and I entered the trade literally after this candle just closed. Okay, so I can confirm a little bearish break of structure to the downside. Okay, with that, my stop loss was a very good place. I mean, my stop loss is at the highest point above at the imbalance and above the liquidity sweep. And my take profit, I didn't want to actually target these London session lows, because sometimes, as you guys can remember, at the last times when I did put my take profit at the very end low, it didn't reach it. It just faded with 1 or 2 pips. So I just wanted to say to put it right here, just to can be a little more safe on the trade. Sure, I could have get like 1 to 1.7 risk to reward, but I don't really care about much about risk to rewards right now, because I feel when I lowered my risk to reward ratio, my win rate got higher. Okay, so because I'm in a winning streak. Also, I did lose a trade last time, and now I'm in a winning streak. I want to trade again, so I'm seeing my models again, I'm seeing the setups again, and I'm seeing the good price action again, and price is actually respecting the liquidity zones and the liquidity key levels. Okay, and yeah, this was a pure, actually A plus setup. That's why I entered the trade into class. I didn't care that much because I saw my setup forming, and I saw every single confirmation that I always wait for, and yeah, I just entered to the trade. Yeah, that's it guys. So the lesson that I've learned from today's trade, there's not actually a lesson to be learned here, but yeah, I could just enter the trade way more safer if I waited for a retracement back and filling the fair value gap as it gets, but I didn't want to do that because I had a little bit of FOMO of missing out of this move, because sometimes price action just go straight into TP or to the next liquidity zone as it did with this move. I didn't want to risk it, but I said risk it for the biscuit, and I got into the trade. So yeah, that's it about today's trade, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, or I'll smash your fucking face. Also, follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna put my new Instagram, the link in my bio. And yeah, guys, I really hope anyone gets a good trading week this week. Also, this banger at Monday feels good for the whole week. Positive energy. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, bro. Don't forget to subscribe. And that's it for today's video. Stay safe, boys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.